bathroom was in its original condition, so that's this house is about 40 years old, so it just needed to be completely renovated. We wanted the ceilings raised, all new tile, all new flooring, and new cabinets, new tub, etc. I'm very happy with the quality of the work. They did a great job, a high level of craftsmanship in doing the work. Also very, very happy with the fact that they thought it would take 3 weeks and they actually finished in a little less than 15, 16 days. We had good rapport with Zack. They had good ideas about how to do the project, and they also committed to do the project quickly. Well, the crew was great. They showed up every day, not only on time, but sometimes before 8 o'clock in the morning. They stayed late every day, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, I think, in one day. They were very accommodating. They communicated well. Just a great crew to work with here. Zack was the project manager. Did a great job. Visited the site often and kept us informed of what was going on with the inspections, etc. Well, in fact, we're already looking at a second project with them. Part of this project was to draw up the plans for our master bathroom, so we're eagerly looking what they come up with there. Again, with contractors, reliability is important. Showing up when they say they're going to show up, doing what they say they're going to do, and that's why we would stick with these guys. Certainly, I'd recommend Green Bay Remodeling based on the experience we had.